Radheshyam Tiwari has performed in many leading music conferences of India, such as Sadarang Sangeet Sammelan, Tansen Sammelan in Kolkata, Swami Haridas Sammelan in Mumbai. He has conferred the prestigious Pandit Mohan Bhatt Memorial Award for his unparalleled contribution to instrument music during 2003 in Jaipur by Pandit Vishwa Mohan Bhatt. He is accompanied by Pandit Subhash Nirvan, who is the world-renowned Chaumukhi tabla player and hails from Delhi Gharana. He was born in musical family of Delhi Gharana and started learning tabla from his father, Shri Motilal ji, and his uncle, Shri Chaman Lal ji. He has given his performance in all the parts of the world. He has participated in many radio Sangeet Sammelans and national program for Akashvani, All India Radio and Television. He has also participated in Sanskritic Festival of Art for India in England, India 1985. He has played tabla for signature tune of music in Doordarshan and All India Radio, which was played before and after the news on TV and radio. At present, he is attached with the Faculty of Music and Fine Arts at University of Delhi. On Tanpura, we have Mr. Mayank Agrawal. He has taken Indian classical training in vocal and at Bhatkhande School of Dehradun when in 9th standard. He later on joined Kirana Khan Gharana and took vocal training from Shri Suchit Narangji and Mrs. Madhuri Matoji. He alongside started learning Western classical guitar. He now teaches Western classical guitar to the students of Vellum Boys in Dehradun. He is now disciple of Pandit Radheshyam Tiwari for last few years and started learning violin from him. On behalf of Max Enterprises, I welcome you all here, sir. Now I...
Thank you. And all members of our Max Life Insurance. It's a very pleasant get-together we are having today. When Mr. Vivekji inspired me to give a small performance of Indian classical music. As a matter of fact, everybody today is in stress for one reason or the other. Music is, though yoga is also there are so many other things by which one can get diversion. But music is the easiest, let me tell you, it is the easiest way to reach to the Almighty, the God. Now what is that? That is Swara. And second part is Lay. Now what Swara does and what Lay does? Swara gives you solace, whereas Lay gives, or rather thrills you. So both these parts are very essential for music. Swar and Lay, heart and mind. These two aspects are very important. Now I have seen the sound of music. It's a very significant name. Sound of music means this is also a sound. But what you want musical sounds. Now that is very important, because when I say this, although this is a sound, but this does not attract you. It's a sound. But our predecessors, our great saints, Swami Haridas Ji, Before that, Narad Muni, Sarang Dev, they all tried to pick the swara. From where? From the sound. Now from Sa, they picked up 7 swaras. In between, there are so many shrutis. From that shruti, they have picked the swara. And that is 7 swaras. And if we count the Komal swaras and Shuddha swaras, it becomes 12. So that is the musical sound, and it is universal. It is being followed not only by Indian classical music, by Carnatic music, by jazz, by symphonies, all over the world. They all are following the same method. Although in application, there may be difference. But the basic root is Indian classical music. If one has acquired proficiency in this, then they can gain proficiency in light classical music, in the filmy songs, bhajan, khyal, thumri, and many other parts. But the basic root is Indian classical music, and particularly the alap, and that is Dhrupad, which was introduced by Swami Haridas Ji, whose disciple was Tansen Ji, and thereafter it went to many others also, and Akbar introduced it in his Darbar, and Tansen, Vilas Khan, his son, and many others followed the same parampara of Swami Haridas Ji. Today, I will touch for few minutes the swaras, the basic character of one particular rag, which is the root of Indian classical music for the evening ragas, that is Rag Yaman. I am playing Rag Yaman. I will depict the character of the raga for a few minutes, and thereafter I will switch over to the compositions. I have a wonderful tabla player with me today who is accompanying me, Mr. Subhash Nirman, and on Tanpura, Mr. Mayank, my disciple, and after few years I have not allowed him to play at the moment. Because of the weather, it is variation in the sound. हरिदास जी की परंपरा का आलाप मैं सुना रहा हूँ।